These are the top 10 reasons Shawnee, Kansas homebuyers and real estate investors have made Bulldog Professional Inspection Services their approved home inspector. Number 1. We walk on the roof. Home inspectors aren't required to walk on the roof, but we do because it's the best way to know how it looks and what's really going on. Number 2. We check 100% of the things we can see, touch, and test. This is our 100% inspection and includes every outlet, switch, light, fan, door, window, and anything else that stays with the home, and usually comes to about 2,000 items in the average-sized home. Number 3. You'll work with an experienced certified master inspector. Steve Rodriguez brings big-picture wisdom that only comes with experience. He has personally sought out and located hundreds of thousands of defects in more than 15,000 Kansas City area properties since 2003. Number 4. We sell a 30-minute DIY home inspection checklist. Save yourself hundreds of dollars in wasted home inspection fees by finding the money pits before calling a home inspector. Just $18.99. Number 5. We were voted Kansas City's best home inspector in 2024. We did this through dedication and commitment to always giving you the very best home inspection possible. Number 6. If the house is not ready when we arrive, there is no fee to reschedule. This is not your fault, so whether it's caused by no gas, no water, no electricity, or anything else that keeps us from giving you a quality home inspection, the first trip is free. Number 7. The Ultimate Building Materials Lifespan Guide. A free 17-page flip book that makes home ownership a little easier by giving you the average lifespan of over 300 items around the home. Number 8. We push on tub and shower tiles. This helps us find water-damaged drywall or plaster that's hiding behind fresh, new tiles. Number 9. We explain the results in plain English. We love to make things easy to understand so you can plan your next move by the time the home inspection is over. Number 10. We've been on Expertise.com's list of Kansas City's best home inspectors since 2016. We've maintained a commitment to honesty and excellence year after year, with award-winning service that stands out in a crowded field. These were the top 10 reasons Bulldog Home Inspections is the approved home inspector for Shawnee, Kansas homebuyers and real estate investors. Call us today to schedule your Shawnee home inspection. We do what others don't, so we can find what others miss.